Hey, what's up everybody? Landon with LMR.com. It's Dyno Day. The car we have up on the dyno today is a 2013 Gotta Have It Green Coyote car. It belongs to Mike Linley. Y'all seen him on the channel before, longtime employee of LMR. But this car was kind of a joint venture with his boys, Hunter Linley and Logan Linley. And upon acquiring this car, which at the time of this video, it's been a few months, give or take, this thing has done a complete 180. They got the car, sorted everything they needed to sort, and then they started chasing some modifications catering to HPDE, which stands for High Performance Driving Events. That's what they're gearing the car up for. And as it sits right now, they're calling it done. But hey, we're car people. We know that's never the case, but as of now, they're checking the box and they're gonna go have some fun with it. But as far as the modifications go for the dyno, this is a Gen 1 engine with about 122,000 miles, give or take. It's got a Boss 3.0 intake manifold, PMAS cold air intake, Lund Racing tune with 93 octane fuel in the tank. As far as exhaust goes, it has JBA Shorty headers, a free-flowing X-pipe, Resonator Delete over axle pipes, and then the GT500 quad tip muffler. This is an MT82 car. It has an aluminum drive shaft, a 331 rear gear, and then out back that is the SVE R357 in gloss black with a 285/35/19 tire. Jumping back over to the MT82, because this has a 331 rear gear, I'm probably gonna go ahead and pull the car in fourth. I don't really need to turn a whole bunch of mile per hour with the car in fifth gear, but we'll see. And whatever gear I end up pulling in, we'll be sure and let you know which one it was whenever we go and talk about some results. Kind of a funny joke around the building. With this car being green, gotta have it green. One of the other employees kind of just jokingly said, Linley Racing. You know, lime green, Linley Racing. I know I probably didn't need to break that down for y'all. Y'all probably got it, but Linley, Linley, it all kind of just ties together. But anyways, that's just kind of funny. I don't know what I lost my train of thought.
Boss, he ain't working.
But anyways, that's just some, you know, inside funny joke stuff. So we'll make a quick trip around the car, make sure we're good to go, and then we'll make a hit. All right, we're gonna take a look at some results here from the old Linley Racing Gotta Have It Green car. First hit, I did pull it in fourth gear. It turned about 140 mile an hour. Car made 412.4 horsepower at 7,500 RPM, and then 370.7 pound-feet of torque at 4,400 RPM. Went ahead and did a fifth gear pull just to see what was gonna happen, but it was turning some mile per hour, so I stopped the run early, but I think it's cool to see the differences here. But with stopping the run early, about 6,700 RPM, the car made 415.7 horsepower at 6,500. And then torque was 382.1 pound-feet at 4,400. So a good indicator that gear can and will affect your horsepower and your torque number. And speaking of torque, made the exact same torque, the exact same RPM, which it should, but you know, there was give or take a 12 pound-feet difference between the fourth gear pull. Not so much on horsepower, but you know, we had 1,000 RPM to go. So give or take, you know, that could have been another 5, 6, 7 horsepower if we could have let it carry that far. So pretty neat to see. And then for another comparison's sake, we have a stock file from another 2013 car. It was actually my wife's old 2013 Coyote car back in the day. It made 375.7 horsepower at 6,000 RPM and 380.4 pound-feet of torque at 4,400 RPM. So y'all can do the math on that. Some pretty significant gains from this car with a tune, PMAS cold air intake, Boss 302 intake manifold, and then your exhaust stuff. So Linley Racing, Mike, Hunter, Logan, they're happy with it. They're ready to get it out to the tracks and get to work, I'd say. So if y'all find value in what we do, please consider liking the video, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, and until we see you in the next one, for all things S197, keep it right here with The Real Enthusiast, LMR.com.